Well, I got my truck broken into last night and they stole my new Husqvarna chainsaw with a 28-inch blade and you know what, holes. But anyways, here's the plan, is to get this nuc box into this log hive. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to transfer these frames into this 8-frame shallow, and then I'm going to put this on top of this board, and at the center of that board is a small hole that I drilled, and hopefully the bees are going to be drawn down into the log and start drawing comb from the 8-frame down into the log. I have no idea if this will work or not, but it's worth trying. And this is the cavity that they have. That is plenty to draw down on, I think. All right, here we go. I should use it. Well, I managed to do this and only got stung once. Not bad. Okay, this top lid here has a 3-inch diameter hole, and this top cover is now a bottom cover that has a hole in the center. And so now the bees hopefully will drive down below, and I left this wedge in here just so they can come and go for now as they learn, and then I'll close that off in the future.